Hello dear students, today we will study subject maths, alright? So you all are ready? Yes. Today we will study some more shapes, alright? In that previous chapter we studied about the shapes, triangle, circle, square, rectangle, and now we are having some more shapes to study. We must know. So this one is here. The first, which shape is this? Oval. Spelling of oval, O-V-A-L. It looks like little bit circle, but it's not completely circle. It is in long shape. So that is rounded but in a long shape. So that's why this shape is known as oval. Alright? In oval shape, what do you see? The example of oval shape is that one, egg. Have you seen egg? Most of you eat egg. Yes? So love eating egg. So oval shape, example of the oval shape is egg. Egg is in which shape? Oval shape. This one is the oval shape. Alright? Now, next, cone. Which shape is this? Cone. C-O-N-E, cone. You know cone? Yes, you know. This shape is known as cone. We can use this cone shape for eating ice cream also. Right? We eat ice cream. You love eating? We all love eating ice cream. In which cone we eat? Eatable cone. Eatable cone. In eatable cone we can eat the ice cream also. So that one is which shape? Cone shape. And if you put cone shape like this, it can become your cap also. Birthday caps you saw. So birthday caps are in which shape? Birthday caps are all in cone shape. Alright, and spelling of cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Next is star. S-T-A-R, star. You saw the stars? We see the star twinkling in the sky. At night you see in the sky where there you can see stars twinkling. And this one is the shape star. And when you do your work very nicely, your teacher also give you star on your cheeks, on your hand. Remembering that, missing that, we all are missing, right? So very soon when we'll meet, I'll give you stars when you do the work very neatly and nicely. And this time your mama, your parents can give you the stars. And the things which we see in this shape, it's known as a star. Okay? So spelling of star, S-T-A-R, star. Now, coming to the next shape, that one is the cube. You saw the cubes? Now, I will explain you what are the cubes. You love playing Ludo? Love playing Ludo? So the dice. There the number 1 printed, some that other side 2, that other side 3, 5, 6, 4. So till 4. 1 to 6 numbers are there on the dice. Dice is in which shape? All sides are equal. That is in cube shape. Alright? Next one is kite. Spelling of kite, K-I-T, kite. This one is the kite. You love playing with kite. You love making the kites as a craft. So this one is kite. The things which you can see in this shape, that one are known as kite. And now coming to the back, spelling of cube. Spelling of cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Alright? And spelling of kite, K-I-T, kite. Love playing kite? You can make the craft farm at your home when you are free. Small kites with the help of the papers. Okay? Now, coming to the next one. That one is which shape is this? Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. This box, your color box, you can see here in this shape, cylinder shape, right? Your cold drink tin also, that is which shape? Cylinder shape. So this shape of the things are known. Talcum powder also, the powder we use the summers to put on body to look to get good fragrance. So that box is also known as which shape? Cylinder shape. Talcum powder, your color box. Alright, all these shape boxes known as which shape? Cylinder shape. Alright. Now, coming to the sphere. Spelling of the sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere is in that round shape. You love playing balls? Love playing balls? So your ball is in which shape? That one is sphere. Spelling of sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. That ball is in which shape? You can tell, my ball is in sphere shape. My ball is in sphere shape. Alright? Now, next one is that cube. Cuboid. Next one is that cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cube and cuboid. Cube, all sides equal, but in cuboid, all sides are not equal. Okay? So, this box is known in which shape? That one is in cuboid shape. This one is in cuboid shape. Sometimes you are having your lunch boxes also in cuboid shape. Alright? So, matchbox is also in cuboid shape. So, you have to just think that match with shapes. Okay? Just to memorize all shapes, you match the things with. That you can memorize easily. Alright? When you see the egg, you can say, oh, this shape is the oval shape. Sometimes your mama put bindi also in oval shape. Okay, papaya is also in oval shape. Some watermelon we eat in these summers. Some watermelon are also in that oval shape. So you see the things in that oval shape, and you can say that no, this thing is in oval shape. Spelling of oval, O-V-A-L. And somewhere you see that in cone shape, that ice cream cones, your birthday caps, like that things if you see, you can say that it is in cone shape. It is in cone shape. Spelling of cone, C-O-N-E, cone. And somewhere you can see the things, your toys also in that is star shape. And some other designs printed there in your t-shirts, in mama saris, you can see the star shape. Spelling of star, S-T-A-R, star. And stars are where we can see easily at the night in the sky, twinkling stars, right? So you have to just remember the shape star and the spelling also, S-T-A-R, star. Now coming to the cube, ice cubes we eat, we just to make the water cool, just we use ice cubes. And that dice, you play with that ludo, that one is also is in which shape? Cube. Spelling of cube, C-U-B, cube. When you see the boxes like that in cube shape, you can say that is in cube shape. Alright. The kite shape, that you very well know, the kite one, and some other pattern also you can see that kite shape, you can say that no, yes, this one is in kite shape. Spelling of kite, K-I-T, kite. Now in cylinder shape, many types of the boxes like cold drinks, tin, like your talcum powder, that box, and your color box is in that cylinder shape. So you can say cylinder shape is in that my water bottle also is in cylinder shape. So spelling of cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. And whenever you see that things round, you can play with that. That one is in sphere shape. And for example, your ball, alright? And some more things like that pumpkin also is in sphere shape, like, okay? Now, cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid shape, like your matchbox, these kind of boxes, your lunch boxes are some in cuboid shape, so you can say no, this one is that is in cuboid shape. Spelling of cuboid cuboid. Okay, all right. So memorize all, learn it, and you can go through your book also, page number 4. All right, learn these shapes and their spellings also. And see on the next page number 5, some patterns are there. You have to just see and just practice of it. If somewhere you see that diamond shape and rectangle shape, so next pattern which one will come? That diamond. Okay, and that's next row, some more patterns there. One pattern and the next pattern is changed. Another pattern is the similar, next pattern is similar to the second one. So these pattern we can see that in our dresses also, mama saris also, and some that bed sheets also covered, bed covers also, and scarf also. You can see in this picture that grandmother is having that designing this scarf for their grandchildren, and you can see in this scarf many patterns are there. So what you have to do in this page number 7, trace the pattern and just enjoy it. You can color also. All right. Now see page number 6 here. The examples of the shapes we study here, some are there. This ball is in which shape? We will write there sphere. Matchbox is in which shape? Cuboid. This gift box, cube shape. You have to identify all the things and the name of the shape. This birthday cap is in which shape? Cone. This egg is in which shape? Oval. That golden tin is in which shape? Cylinder. This kite is in which shape? Kite. And this one is that ring is in which shape? Ring shape. Alright. So memorize, read all shapes name and learn with the spellings also, and just when you practice it many times, easily you can just very well know that all the shapes. Okay, practice it, and the worksheet you will get there. You have to do the work very neatly and very nicely. Okay, thank you class.